Imagine, what if someone takes away your child and forces them to work at someone's home rather than the safety of their own? Illicit sexual trafficking, working like cattle in fields with harmful chemicals while they should be enjoying meal at home. To beg on the streets and not to play with their favorite toys. Can you imagine your child like this? Will you be able to bear it? There is no reason, there is no excuse. Child labor is child abuse.
We are going to talk about the level of child labor that has increased or decreased during the COVID pandemic.
In the previous video, we learnt about the introduction to child labor, observation and more details on child labor, history of child labor and causes of child labor. In this video, we will be informing you about the present condition of child labor. Fact: 1 in every 6 children aged 5 to 17 worldwide is exploited by child labor.
Here we see the distribution of child labor per 1,000 children, with Jharkhand in the lead with more than 65,000 children who are abused as child labor.
Moving further, here we see the data of the paid, unpaid and self-employed children. Paid employment being 22.5%, unpaid family workers as 68.4%, self-employment as 8.1%, and the rest 1.1% are not defined. Fact: there are approximately 9 million children all over the world involved in the worst forms of child labor.
Yes, sadly there has been an increase in child labor. As per the information, millions of more children risk being pushed into child labor as a result of COVID-19 crisis, which could lead to the first rise in child labor after 20 years of progress. According to a new brief from the International Labour Organization, ILO and UNICEF. According to the International Labour Organization, child labor decreased by 94 million since 2000, but the gain is now at risk.
Children already in child labor may be working for longer hours or under worsening conditions, the report says. More of them may be forced into the worst forms of labor, which causes significant harm to their health and safety. As the pandemic wreaks havoc on family incomes without support, many could resort to child labor, said International Labour Organization Director General Guy Ryder. Social protection is vital in times of crisis as it provides assistance to those who are most vulnerable. Integrating child labor concerns across border policies for education, social protection, justice, labor markets, and international human and labor rights makes a critical difference.
This pie chart gives us a brief about children employed in different occupations. Fact: Africa accounts for the highest number of children employed and exploited. This chart shows the number of kids working in different types of factories. 4 lakh in hand-knotted carpet factories, 1 lakh in gemstone polishing factories, 45,000 in brassware factories, 25,000 in footwear factories, 5,000 in silk factories, 1 lakh in matches and firework factories, 50,000 in glass factories. The total number of kids employed in India are 6,80,000.
Let's see what UNICEF has to tell about this situation. In times of crisis, child labor becomes a coping mechanism for many families, said UNICEF Executive Director Henrietta Fore. As poverty rises, schools close, and the availability of social services decreases. More children are pushed into the workforce. As we reimagine the world post-COVID, we need to make sure that children and their families have the tools they need to weather similar storms in the future. Quality education, social protection services, and better economic opportunities can be game changers. Fact: according to ILO, there are around 12.9 million Indian children engaged in work between the ages of 7 to 17 years old.
Here, how we can help reduce child labor. Spread awareness. Discourage people from employing children in homes, shops, factories, etc. Be a conscientious consumer. Be vigilant and report abuse. Talk to the parents of child laborers. Be a responsible citizen and ensure you do not employ child labor. Inform the authorities if you see child labor in action. Tell literate people how beneficial education is so that they would send their kids to school. We should donate funds to NGOs who work towards reducing child labor. If possible, we should provide them with good food as they don't get nutritious food.
Let us all pledge to remove child labor completely and gift all children of this world their childhood. Life of little ones are destroyed when child labor is employed. Say no to child labor. Narrated by Soumi Ghosh, K. Anshika and Vanshika Jindal. Data sourced from unicef.org and ILO.com. Thank you for watching. Please like and share our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.